Bullx versus Photon versus Gmgn. Best crypto trading bot? I'm going to tell you about Bullx versus Photon versus Gmgn. Which is the best trading bot? Let's start with Bullx. It's simple to use, with a flat 1% fee per trade. It works fast and has a clean interface. But you might need to tweak the filters to avoid bad trades. Next is Photon. It's known for fast buying and selling. It also works across chains like Solana and Ethereum. It has tools like MemeScope for finding new tokens, but some users complain about hidden fees or slippage. Now, Gmgn. This one is popular for its speed and advanced settings. You can customize slippage 2% for small trades, 4% for big rolls, for better control. It takes more effort to set up, but traders like the flexibility. So which is best? If you want easy and fast, go with Bullx. If you want cross-chain tools, try Photon. If you're more advanced and want full control, go with Gmgn.